the second to last game of closing night. We just got through several failed timelines and one correct timeline in the Zero's Gambits game, and it lasted so long my co-commentator Fungi fucking died. So now I'm here alone. And that's going to be an immediate home run by King. Love to see it. To establish the stakes here, any kind of win from the charters here will give the knock, and that's going to be a home run from Wario. Any win from the charters here will give the Gambits the #1 overall seed in the playoffs. Doesn't do a whole lot much more different compared to the second seed, but, you know. It's bragging rights. It's nice. Wow, it's starting absolutely on fire here. Ah, but it's Bowser. Ah, it's Bowser. No concussion ball. Hate to see it if you're the charters. So anyways, who gives a shit about this game? There's football happening right now. How are my New York Jets doing? Hopefully better than Blue Dry Bones there. 7-14 at the half. Why is there a puppet of Ryan Fitzpatrick? We had a Shy Guy Cycle Watch in at least one of the timelines. Let's see if we can get one here. With a home run. And absolutely the fuck not. Good start for the Charters. They played the washing machine in the first game of the season. It was a absolute blowout. Fun little similarity I would like to point out. To start the season off, I do believe we had 2 back-to-back home runs to start the game off, which we got now, again, in this game. Ooh, good star swing from Mario. That's going to bring Madge home at least. Okay, yeah, Yoshi's not stretching for it. Red Noki up to bat. Runners on the corners. Just watches 3 go. Wow. Monty. Down to the bottom of the lineup here for the Charters. Now that's going to be a ground out for Monty. right to the feet of Red Pianta, and he doesn't feel like getting it at all. Yoshi concussed, and Boo not moving. Ooh. Boo barely makes it home. Good hit from BD beating it down. 2 runners on for Bowser. 2 outs. It's do or die. And it's do! Oh! I didn't even notice that the bongos in the corner were the fucking DK bongo, fucking bongo controllers. Wonder if you could play Superstar Baseball on those. As Fun Guy is pointing out in the chat, there are 2 possible situations where Phil and Stuk play again in the playoffs. If Phil wins, he will play Stuk. If Phil wins, or Phil loses, and I win, he will then play Stuk again. If he loses and Fun Guy wins, then Knockoff will play Phil instead. Green Shy Guy really wants that home run. I know I said Cycle Watch earlier, but... doesn't even bother to throw a copy for the best. Nice hit from Boo. I like to see it. Oh! That actually might have just saved the washing machine a run. That ball goes a bit further. I think Boo has the time to run home. Oh, RNG time. Will they guess correctly? Yes. Ooh, the bobble can't save it. No! Tries to throw the pick off to first instead of laser beaming to home. Oh. Did somebody just fucking lay a curse down on, like, the MVP candidates? Like Petey wasn't doing all that good last game. And Bowser. Ooh, good dive from YP. Blue guy yard. Cycle launch? No highlights. But cycle launch. What has Blue Shy Guy in this game? I think we're at least at a single, and now a home run. He might have gotten a double? Not all that sure, actually. Ooh, big dive for Mario, and it will get Monty out to end the inning. Middle of the lineup here for the washing machine. Good hit by Mario. It's going to stretch for a double easily. Good hit from Noki. That's going to bring Mario to third. This will be one chem on for Red Pianta. Charges. Ooh, early swing. Ooh, watches it go. Watches it go again. Paratroop is up to the plate. Yeah, the Piantas are so stupid. Trust me, I know. I have two of them on my team. Amazing Star Swing. Red Para. Ooh. Amazing Grounder Star Swing. Forcing the fucking dive to make sure it doesn't leave the infield. Make sure he gets on base for Dixie. Grief Kong? She is not! Oh, and the barrel to slow the momentum too! That's gonna score another 3 runs! Top of the lineup now! Amazing hit from Magic Koopa! That's gonna score Dixie! Apparently this game is so good it is actually getting me noise complaints. And we've matched up this course around. It is now 10-7. Fast throw from Mario there to make sure that he gets out at first. Mario's gonna get on. Runners on the court. Oh no, the barrel! score another run for the washing machine. One runner on for Red Noki. It is 10-8, the run of a lifetime. We have full cycled through the lineup for 7 runs. Ooh, pop fly out, and this is up. Ooh! Bounces off the barrel, but Monty still catches it! Get that ball a Nike sponsorship. Get this man some Air Jordans. Another Wario home run, all off the wall. Yeah, hey, Ziggy, great news. I think the Doomed timelines are going to get uploaded as their own video if you want to see how those went, but, the answer is very boring. The Charters proving very much they still belong. Ooh. It's an okay grounder star swing. It's going to run. Run was on the corner here for Blue Shy Guy. No way! A second one! I believe that's 2 home runs for Blue Shy Guy now. Green Shy Guy also with the barrel again! We have seen... Ooh, easy double play. We have seen some insane barrel collisions this fucking game. Oh my god. Fungi, I think the barrels are really upset with how those 3 Doomed timelines were. Ooh, a bit too far right, but IP at least finally making some fucking contact with the ball. Not like that, though. God. Oh, Wario just completely misses the jump. Well, therapy just got on. Dixie. Amazing grounder star swing. Okay, maybe not amazing. I thought she was maybe a little bit faster, but, W stealing. At least the runner's advanced. And completely wasted. I think this is the single most dominant performance the Charters have had all season. terrible hit from King Boo. He's got one homer today. Could he get a second? Barely off the wall. Oh no! Super jumps over the ball. That's gonna score a run. And Bowser gets a grounder through the middle. Ooh, barely safe. Ooh. Oh no, a terrible hit from Blue Guy. It's gonna get him a single, it's an RBI single, but puts him a bit closer to the end of this inning. Gap now at 11 for the washing machine. It's gonna pop up for Monty. Milky will not get there in time. For Boo. That'll get down 2. That'll score another run. That'll score 2 runs. 21 to 8. 1 chem on for King Boo. He's gotten a home run today already. Could be looking for a second, or perhaps his much beloved strikeout, but that it will not be. I believe that'll score 2 for him. No! Boo too slow! Fireball sails one slow up to the middle. That'll at least get him double. Yoshi has to prove the haters wrong. Get a hit, get a run. He will not. Strikes. He's charging it. Oh, it's dive, it's fair, it's out, but Fire Bro advances to third. Noki could bring in an RBI here, bring it to 22 to 9. Or she could go yard. Watches it go, that'll be an out. One more inning to run the score up for the Charters. One more inning to make it happen for the washing machines. And Wario to the wall and a bounce again. He's been, I swear, it's every single hit this motherfucker has gotten has gone to the wall or over the wall. Oh no, that's gonna double play out for the Charters. Oh, Blue Bone's fast enough. Got to try to dive for it, but doesn't make it. Yellow Shy Guy. Giving Blue Shy Guy one last chance at a third home run. Or a cycle watch if I have not been counting his hits correctly. And it'll be an out. There is no magic in baseball. Strike two. Strike fastball down the middle to the bottom of the seventh. Do or die time for the washing machine. They need 14 runs to bring it to extras. That'll be at least one runner on. Pianta possibly is able to stretch for a triple here. He is not going to go. Yellow Shy Guy recovers. Green Pair, amazing shot. Claptrap for the star. Fred Pianta makes it home. Koopa strikes out. You're really not looking for a Dixie Star swing here. You're also not looking for a strikeout. King Boo has been on point with those fastballs today. Good hit for Red Magikoopa. That'll be 2 runners on. One last chance for the league-leading MVP candidate, Firebro. And he grounders out. That's the game. 22-9. Unsurprising King Boo MVP. 22 hits, 22 runs, 32 hits. Maybe not the opening game of the season paid back in kind, but the spirit was there. King Boo, you know what? Yeah, you're right, fun guy. King Boo got all 22 hits. 10 strikeouts, good lord. I don't know, DK's right there, fun guy. Alright, that'll be it for this game.